Everything you've ever seen, the Earth, the Moon, the Sun, every galaxy we've ever photographed, all of it adds up to less than 5% of the universe. The rest, we can't see it, we can't touch it, but it's everywhere, shaping everything. This is the story of the hidden 95%, a story of mystery, discovery, and our desperate attempt to understand what reality is really made of. Let's begin with what we can see. The stars, the galaxies, the glowing cosmic web that stretches across billions of light years. When the James Webb Space Telescope peers into deep space, it's not just seeing light, it's seeing time. Every pixel is a memory of the universe's childhood, but even after counting every star and planet, we're missing something huge. Because when scientists measure how galaxies move, they realize they're spinning far too fast. The math doesn't add up. Something invisible must be holding them together. In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin studied the Andromeda Galaxy and made a shocking discovery. The stars on the edges weren't slowing down. In fact, they were moving as fast as those near the center. According to physics, that's impossible unless some unseen mass is creating extra gravity. She called it dark matter. For decades, scientists have hunted for it, using underground detectors, particle accelerators, even balloon experiments floating over Antarctica. But so far, not a single dark matter particle has been found. It's like chasing a ghost that leaves fingerprints but never shows its face. Across the universe, dark matter forms a vast invisible skeleton. Galaxies cling to it like dewdrops on a spiderweb. Using gravitational lensing, where light bends around mass, scientists can actually map this hidden structure. It's beautiful and eerie, an unseen architecture that shapes the destiny of every star and planet. Without it, galaxies would fly apart, and we would never exist. Then came an even bigger shock. In the 1990s, astronomers studying distant supernova discovered that the universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Some invisible force is pushing everything apart faster and faster. They called it dark energy, and it makes up nearly 70% of the cosmos. But what is it? Some think it's the energy of empty space, a property of the vacuum itself. Others believe it's a sign that our understanding of gravity is wrong. Whatever it is, it's rewriting the fate of the universe. If dark energy keeps accelerating expansion, galaxies will drift so far apart that the night sky will one day go dark. Stars will burn out. Matter itself may decay. Scientists call it the heat death, a future where the universe becomes cold, silent, and empty. But there are other theories. Perhaps dark energy will reverse, collapsing everything in a big crunch. Or maybe it will tear space itself apart in a final, violent, big rip. The truth. We still don't know which ending awaits us. Some physicists believe the answers lie in the quantum world, where particles pop in and out of existence, and energy fluctuates even in empty space. The vacuum, it turns out, isn't empty at all. It's buzzing with energy, maybe the source of dark energy itself. Others go further, suggesting we're only one universe in a vast multiverse, and the dark forces we feel are the gravitational echoes of other realities pressing against ours. As wild as that sounds, it might explain why our universe seems perfectly tuned for life. Today, scientists are building new instruments, detectors buried under mountains, satellites orbiting Earth, and telescopes that can see farther than ever before. Every byte of data brings us closer to understanding what makes up the universe. But it's not just about science, it's about identity. Because to know what the universe is made of is to know what we are made of. The same dark forces that shaped galaxies also shaped us. We are cosmic experiments trying to understand our own code. When we gaze at the stars, we're not just looking out, we're looking back. Back to our origins, back to the first atoms that became our bodies. The mystery of the dark universe reminds us that there is still so much we don't know, but also that we're capable of asking the most profound questions. That curiosity, that drive to explore, might be the most powerful force in the universe. So next time you look into the night sky, remember, you're staring into an ocean that's mostly invisible, but without it, nothing would exist. The universe may be dark, but through our curiosity, it has found a way to see itself. Subscribe for more cosmic explorations.